Good morning, it's coffee time.
Day 3 began much like the others, making breakfast in the sunshine out of the back of the van.
It's going to be another scorcher today. Well, we just did barter books and it was good, but I wasn't after any books. So we just had a wander about. Really nice if you like a bookshop, but it was a bit busy and there was dogs. So
Rothbury.
Yeah. Carry on to reach a seat with views back down the valley.
Yeah.
This land backs on to MOD ranges. If the red flag is flying, then live firing is taking place. Please don't pick up any metal objects which may be lying on the ground. We left Anik this morning because it was getting a bit busy. And yeah, despite it not being any school holidays or anything, it was rather full. So we popped into Barter Books for a bit of a look about and then just bailed. And we've driven up, or inland, through the village of Rothbury. We didn't stop. Past Cragside, which is also lovely and well worth a visit, but we've been before, so we carried on. And we've pulled into this tiny little village called Harbottle, and parked the van, and we're now heading up this steep hill in search of something called the Drakestone, which apparently has magical properties. I don't know what those properties are.
He's on fire.
From here, we cut our third day a little shorter because we had a football game to watch.
Too exciting, boys.
Is it on yet?
It's cheese and mead night in the van. We've just watched England beat Germany 2-0, so we're having cheese and mead to celebrate.
Jack's ready.
Jack is more than ready. These cheeses, honestly, right, they're Northumberland cheeses. And we've got Doddington Cuddy's Cave and Doddington Admiral, and honestly, they stink.
There you go, pet.
Cheers. We're drinking lager that couldn't be further from Northumberland. It's from Hawaii.
Hawaii.
We've got cheese and mead.
Woo!
Cheese and mead.
Cheese and mead, Paul.
Cheese and mead.
Cheese and mead.
Cheese and mead. Cheese and mead.
We'll end the show just taking you into Jamie's show with this Louis Prima.
Cool, thank you.
Day 4 got off to a predictably steady start.
So we're currently at Winter's Gibbet, which is part of Harwood. And it's just over there. It wasn't a very long walk. We thought it was going to be a walk, but it's not. Never mind. And yeah.
We drove north over the border into Scotland, briefly, before heading back along the Kielder Forest Drive, a spectacular 12-mile drive on unsealed forest road from Blakehope Burnhoff in the east to Kielder Castle in the west. Forest Drive is one of England's highest roads, reaching over 1,500 feet, here at Blackhope Nick.
Wait there. Good lad. Right, come on then.
We made a bit of a decision to change our route again, as we do. So instead of going down towards Corbridge and having a bit of a day in the car, we thought that we would then come to Kielder and try and do a walk in Kielder, since we hadn't walked yet with Jack. And it was a bit sort of overcast and not great first thing really, so...
Aye.
So yeah, we did this forest drive at Kielder, which was about 12 miles, and it was a bit more like off-road than I think we were expecting, to be honest with you, but it was good fun, and there was some good architecture and stuff as we went through. Got to the end of the path and we're here at Kielder Castle. Yeah, we just sat under a tree in Kielder, just finished with food, and I think next we're going to try and find this big head. It sounds really bad.
Right.
At Kielder, and also go and find the Black Middens.
We've done it again. We've managed to set off on a lengthy hike in the sunshine to tire out Jack. And we've pulled up in the car park and walked around the corner, and there it is. It's about 200 metres up the hill. So we've come to the Black Middens, which is, I think it was an example of 16th century border reiver farm house.
Be on the sign up there, won't it?
It'll be on the sign. Let's go and read the sign. I'd like you to describe what we've eaten using only your best charade. 2 words. Are you comfy? Are you? Is it bedtime? Hmm? We're off again, last day. We're going to go and find a waterfall first.
We're gonna have a swim.
Try not to swim. Swim. Wow. Quite unexpected. So we've been for our morning run up to Hershall Lynn Waterfall and back down. Went for a morning dip in the pool. And now we're just going to tuck into some breakfast pancakes with a bit of fruit yoghurt, blueberries and maple syrup. What more could you ask for, eh?
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow?
Who they got on the
When
wall?
you throw me down, you can leave me to the side. You're still raising me up. But when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. I'm not done.
Well, here we are. Sycamore Gap.
I just want me to
How are you, Amy? I can see the pub from here.
It's dreadful acting. Indeed we can though. There it is. Twice brewed. That's where we're headed now for a nice cold refreshing pint. Ooh.
gonna find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking.
I think we're just about to walk out onto Lamley Viaduct.
Cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Travelling 254 miles around the remote and rarely discovered areas of our home county, we experienced some of the region's best landmarks. By the end of day 5, we were tired and a little weather beaten, but it had been such a good adventure.